Hey everybody, Jeffro's Journey. So I've been slacking the past couple of days. I haven't really been putting a video up. Quite honestly, life got busy and seeing the same stuff day after day that I'm eating kind of loses its luster after 30 days. So I figured I'd bring you in here to the kitchen, kind of cooking with Jeffro style, and show you what I'm going to be cooking up for the rest of the week. In the back we have sirloin tips, and up here we have 4 ribeye steaks. This is not all the food that I'm going to be eating for the week. This will probably get me through half the week, but I figured people might have questions about how I prepare it. I don't know if you can hear it outside, but it's pouring out there. I just got home from work. It's 10 after 7 at night. So we're going to be using the oven and we're going to be broiling it. I know, not ideal for a ribeye, but that's what we have to work with. So what I use first of all is just a broiler pan. I line it with aluminum foil. It makes cleanup easier, and if you want to save the juices, you can do that. So I'm just going to add some avocado oil on top, just to each ribeye, and I'm going to add a little bit in here as well, just to act as like a nice, I don't know, coating for the food. So I'm just going to get that rubbed around. I'm going to flip these steaks. I'm going to add a little bit more to this side, hopefully without spilling the avocado oil out of my hand. Again, just rubbing around, getting a nice coating on all of it. So a lot of people, you will use various types of salt or seasonings. This is just coarse, kosher salt. Yeah, kosher salt, not coarse. Kosher's got like a real nice texture that helps, absorb juices and get into the meat. And so I'll just sprinkle it on there pretty liberally, and get it all into the crevices and all that. And same thing here on this side for the sirloin tips. Pat that in. For the broiler, we've just got that preheating on high. And I should say you don't want the broiler pan very close to the heating element. Otherwise, you're gonna have smoke and it's not gonna be good. So we'll add some more. Okay. Put that over there. Move this to the side. Bring this over. And we'll just kind of massage this all together. Almost like a meatloaf, but not quite. Well, it's really raining out there. Okay. So that's good. Now what I'm going to do is once the ribeyes are done, I'm actually going to take the sirloin tips and add it into the broiler pan and just stick it right back in the oven after I take the ribeyes off. Make sure you get juices everywhere. My wife really loves that. So this little trick learned from Alton Brown is you stick this in the oven and it keeps that broiler heating element kicked on so it doesn't cycle, gets a nice good sear.
What is this?
Oh yeah, it's just a bunch of aluminum foil wrapped up so it's, you can put it into the door of the oven.
Look at me being helpful.
Look at you go. That's why I keep you around, honey. That's why I keep you around. See, just like that. And for these size, I'm gonna do 4.5 minutes per side. When that goes off, I'll flip the steaks, put them in for another 4.5 minutes. And then once that alarm goes off, I'm actually just gonna kill the heat and leave them in there for about 2 minutes, depending on how you like it. 2 minutes for like a good medium rare, medium. And then another 4 minutes for like well done, basically. Yeah, so that's it. Thanks for joining me in the kitchen. Jeffro's Journey. We'll talk to you later.